Ciiraini uria uramatha anja ya kuura kwa raiya eri ya bururi wa India na ndereba wao mweri-ini wa mugwanja mwaka uyu riu ekwirwo kenda aria marakuruhanio na kuura kwa raiya aya no maguthii nambere na kuhingirwo. Mawakiri a thitango othe marokire kuneana riboti cia uira wa gukararania na uira uria mwena wa thitango tengemanitie igoti-ini riri kuria mareganite na riboti cia ruhonge rwa maundu ma thiini ruhonge-ini rwa borithi ruria rukoretwo rukirumanirira na uthuthuria uyu.
We have no problem them granted 15 or 30 days or 2 years, so long as they are put on bail, on bond. As we have no problem the state taking their sweet time.
Ona thengi ya mawakiri aya kwenda mwena wa thitango cokie ciuria hari riboti ciao, jaji wa igoti ria macira ma wikina eri akahawa Diana Muchache nietikiririe mwena wa thitango gukaneana macokio mao muthi wa kana.
It is therefore my considered view that this matter be adjourned to enable the investigators to file their response. However, 7 days is too many in my view. The prosecution are granted only 3 days to file and serve their responses.
Gukiri uguo ekwirwo the kenda maguthii nambere na kuhingirwo nginyagia muthi wa kana kuria makamenya kana nimakarekererio na mbundi kana sha.
The state confirms that they have already done with the funds, they have already done with other facilities. So why are they asking for 30 days?
Bail is denied at the moment. The respondents shall remain in custody until when this matter is heard and determined.
Mawakiri a thitango matongoretio ni Danstan Omari nimekirire nganja wira uria raheanwo ni mwena wa thitango kwa muhiano makioneka kuregana na ekwirwo kwirikana mari haria ciiko cia kunyitwo migwate kwa raiya aya ciahanikiire.
State says all the 9 people were on Mombasa Road during the abduction. We have produced evidence that not all of them were in Mombasa Road. The second respondent was with his wife at home, and we have raised a defense of an alibi.
Omari ni areganite na njira nene na riendekithia ria kuhuthira DNA cia kwirwo riu akiuga ni makuregana na riendekithia o riothe ria uhuthiri wa DNA kuona matire na oma na honge cia thirikari iria gutabania uthuthuria uyu.
We are demanding that if DNA tests to be done, to be taken samples, they be taken, 1, at the national government chemist facilities, and 2, 4 other sample laboratories, 2 of them being outside this country.
Mawakiri ano magwetete uteti ta undu utangiheranio na ciira uyu riu makiuga kwahoteka Maabithaa aya marakuithio murigo utari wao uria uracungiririo ni uteti.
This is a political witch hunt where the head of state in Kericho Church, the head of state at the national celebrations of Mashujaa Day directed the police to investigate these people.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV ritwera kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.